In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva, perfect for beginners looking to elevate their design projects. Frames are a fantastic way to add some style and structure to your Canva designs, and they can help enhance your visuals in an incredibly dynamic way. Let's dive in and explore the simple steps to get you started with frames. First, after you've opened Canva and are either creating a new design or editing an existing one, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu of options, and what we're looking for is the Elements tab. Click on Elements. This is where you'll find all the creative assets that Canva offers, including shapes, graphics, and most importantly, frames. Once you are in the Elements section, you'll want to scroll through the options until you find the Frames category. Frames in Canva are unique because they allow you to contain an image within a particular shape or boundary. Click on Frame. This action will display a variety of frame shapes available at your disposal. Take your time browsing through the selection and think about what would best suit your design needs. If, for instance, you're looking to create a profile visual, a circle frame might be ideal. So for this tutorial, let's go ahead and select a circle frame. You can do this simply by clicking on the frame of your choice and dragging it onto your canvas. The drag and drop feature in Canva makes this incredibly easy and intuitive, allowing you to position the frame precisely where you want it on your design. Now that you have your frame in place, it's time to add an image to it. For this, you'll want to head back to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Uploads. This is where you can upload or select images that you've already uploaded to Canva. If you haven't uploaded an image yet, now would be a good time to do so. Once your image is ready in the Upload section, all you need to do is drag your image over the frame. You'll notice that as you hover the image over the frame will subtly highlight, indicating it's ready to accept your image. Just release your mouse button and the image will automatically nest into the frame, perfectly filling the space. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to manipulate how images fit within frames. Allowing for further customizability, you can adjust the size and positioning of your image within the frame by double clicking on it. This gives you perfect control over the aesthetics of your design, and there you have it. By using frames in Canva, you can create eye-catching and professional looking designs with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more confident incorporating frames into your Canva projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.